Recently, I set myself to the task of spinning the ballast up from $10,000 to $40,000 in 15 days. To do this, I have to increase my capital by 10% every single day without violating the basic rules of risk management. If successful, I will give away the entire $30,000 profit among the traders from my academy to help newcomers get off to a strong start. And today is the third day of the challenge, which means my task is to turn the current $12,100 in my balance into $13,300. And right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna watch a recap of first 2 days, and then we will start the new day.
We got it. We got it.
Oh, I hate it. Don't do that. Just stay there for 10 seconds. Please. Love it. Love it. Frozen? I don't know what's going on. Rise above the enemies.
We did it. We did it. We got it. We got it.
Alrighty guys, so we're starting with the platform and the settings, and as always we have 1 minute time frame, 3 minute expiration time, we add stochastic, and we are working with price action as always. So about the money that we're gonna use, yesterday we used 235%, today is gonna be 242 supposed to be, so I'm gonna do it in $250. That's a little bit more than 2%, but it is okay. So the task is to reach $13,310. I hope it's not gonna be that bad because I'm starting a bit late today and we still have like a good setup with currency pairs. So let's get started. Stop rambling and start. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna start with GBP GPY currency pair, and right here, for me to explain it, we need to look at other currency pairs included. So first of all, I looked at CAD GPY where we have this freakery, and it happened for two reasons. So first of all, with all the currency pairs with CAD Canadian dollar, they started growing rapidly. Let me show you. Yep. This is one of the examples. USD CAD is just flying high, but JPY is actually dropping everywhere. But at the same time, we see that JPY, Japanese yen, is already finishing the cycle of dropping, and right now the correction started. I chose currency pair with less critical drop, and it actually includes support zone right here. So with all of the potential possibilities, we have the reversal, we have the touch of the level. So I'm putting my bets that the price is rising. We have a couple more minutes left, so let's see if I was correct. Alright guys, we have 5 seconds left. The volatility is just gone insane.
I still got the money. I still got the money.
I almost got upset, but I still got the money. Makes me happy. I don't know how the session is gonna go after such jumps on a lot of currency pairs. Shit like that is happening right now. But I hope I'm gonna find good entry points again. And here, yep, the price is rising. It happened a bit later than I thought, but still, I got the money. A win is a win. I don't care. Let's continue finding good entry points. Better than this one. Better than this one. Okay, so I'm not gonna wait any longer. I'm gonna risk this one, Euro American dollar. What do we see here? We see long downtrend, global downtrend, and also we can think that the reversal is happening. The price is going to go upwards, but if we look deeper into the structure of the trend, we see that the structure is not broken. So we understand that this is our swing high, this is the swing low, next swing high, next swing low, and this swing high that we see right here, it is lower than the previous one. So the structure of downtrend is not broken through, and next swing low is actually lower than the previous one. So that's a good sign. So the price went back to our swing high right now, and it is reacting and moving downwards. So with huge belief, I opened the deal for a downward trend. Let's see what's gonna happen. So we have 6 seconds left. The price got a bit high and got stuck, but globally I read everything correctly. Good job, me. Second deal opened, closed in green or black. You decide what you like. Wow. I hope that today's gonna be the day when everything's gonna be easy as hell and I'm not gonna sit here for an hour. But let's move on. So with currency pairs, with GPY, the price is jumping in both like directions, so it's a bit too dangerous to work with them. So I'm gonna stop looking at them and I'm gonna try to find something more safe and easier to understand and read. Guys, deal number 3 with euro and Australian dollar. What do we see here? We see that globally the price is in downtrend, and right now the price went back to the previous price minimum. And when that happened in the first time, it had huge impulse, and with the same impulse the price dropped. I'm talking about these two candlesticks, and after that the price slowly went back to this level, another drop of the impulse, and right now there is almost no impulse, almost no momentum, and we see the huge red candlestick, and I believe that this small uptrend is gonna be broken through. Let me even show you the visual just for you to know what I'm talking about. We see right here the small uptrend with global downtrend, and right now I am expecting that this mini uptrend is going to be broken through. The price is going to do the breakout from it, and it will drop even lower according to global downtrend. But let's see if I was right. Casey, today looks like a good day. I love it. Makes me happy. We have $12,786 on the balance, and the goal is 1330. So we have like $500 left, and we're gonna be done for today. And I also think I should probably rise it, but I don't think like 250. So if 2% is 255, so I think, yeah, 250 is going to be enough for now, and there is no point for me to rise it even higher. We can up it to like 260, but it's not going to really change anything. So we're going to continue with 250, and even though the situation with all the currency pairs is not that bad, the session looks quite good. Oh damn, it's so nice when everything goes according to plan and years of my work pay off finally. But of course it wasn't like that always. My path as a trader was not quick or easy, so after going through a lot of mistakes and finally reaching profitable state, I decided to make life easier for same beginners like I was by creating a free trading academy where I help beginners reach profit faster. And this is the same academy where, if successful, I will give away $30,000, and same academy where you will find exclusive lessons from me, chat with hundreds of like-minded students, and most importantly, constant support in the chat. To become a part of this academy, just simply text me "I want to study" to my Telegram and get access to it. The link to my Telegram is under this video, and my handle is on the screen somewhere. Guys, let's risk it for today. It's gonna be the first one, euro and Australian dollar. We opened one deal here already. We opened it right here on this candlestick, and also the price is pushing the same level, and from this level we have the reversal going downwards. Nothing changed, the logic is the same. The only thing is that we have the support level here. Can't talk apparently. And of course we have some risks because the price can reach it real freaking fast and then shoot upwards, but 2 minutes 30 seconds it shouldn't happen, and there are no signs that the price is gonna shoot upwards. I do not see. So with the same continuation of this resistance level, we open in June for a downward trend. 20 seconds, 2 minutes left. Let's see what's gonna happen. Alright guys, I told you, when I had a little holiday, a little rest, I'm way better. And I think that a lot of people gonna think that it is all fake, but it is not. Just like you can see it, I'm doing it right now in front of you. So they're just like, you know, proud of me, proud of myself. Anywho, so now 2% is $260. In theory, we need $300 to finish our profit for today. With 90% payout, we can open a deal for $230. Do I want to do that or no? I don't know. Should I not? We can lower the risks and open 2 deals. So we need $300 in profit. We can open 2 deals for like $180, just in case if we lose, we will have to open deals with martingale with a lower risk, which is in any case amazing. Like if we can lower the risks, just do it always, freaking do it always. So we're gonna open 2 deals with $180, and if I see like an amazing situation, I will open 1 deal, but I don't think that's gonna happen. So let's try to find another entry point, but for now I'm like current, like last 3 videos, they look like fakes, but you know, it's just the way it is. It's the way I'm doing it. For now, I'm gonna skip this deal because we have global downtrend and we have support level and all of that kind of stuff. But because of it's a global downtrend, it's gonna break through one of the levels and go even lower. So we're not gonna work for an upward trend because it's a downward trend, global downward trend. I don't want to work against the trend. So I'm moving on to another one. Okay, so guys, let's risk it for the biscuit. You're a GPY currency pair. I didn't want to work with GPY today at all, and the situation here is not really good. But globally, what do we see? We see that this level worked many times. The only thing kind of scares us, we have the triangle getting smaller. Each new low was higher than the previous one, but globally, this trend line is broken through, even though the structure is not broken through, but trend line is broken through. And I believe that the price should be pushed downwards. Yes, this one is a bit more risky, but because we made the decision to lower the amount of money that we're using, I believe that this is a good choice. And let's see what's gonna happen. 2 minutes left. Let's wait. Some bullshit is happening right now. Let's talk about it. I told you that the structure of trend, this low was not broken, and the price right now is jumping again from that low level, and we are like moving around like millimeters from the profit, and I should have just waited before the price will break through this low level. But I decided to risk. We have 10 seconds. Nothing is guaranteed right now. Like, minimum movement of the price can ruin everything, but the miracle happened. Let's be honest, it was a miracle, because sometimes, yes, you can say I looked and analyzed everything well, but here, telling you, it was just luck, pure luck. The deal was opened incorrectly. I should have waited before this level was broken through. The trend line was broken through, that's good, but the structure of the trend was not broken through. Yes, it is an inside trend. It's not as important as the resistance level, but I should have thought about that, but it doesn't really matter. The deal is closed in black or green. But I will try to find the last deal to be at least less risky, but we have real chance to get all 10% of profit in one day with no losses. Let's see if I can do this. With the amount of money that I'm gonna use, I'm gonna leave on 180. I don't see the point of changing it again, so less risk, more happiness for me. Let's continue. KKK guys, KKK. Okay, let's continue. GBP AUD currency pair. We have the support level. We opened the deal. I don't remember where exactly on this currency pair, but it doesn't matter. Standard situation, the price reached the level. I didn't like it at the beginning that the price reached that level. It jumped upwards and it was pushed backwards, but now we have this candlestick basically creating pattern that's called free line strike. That's what it's called. And this pattern with the end of big green momentum candlestick gives us the understanding that the price is probably going to do the reversal, and it actually started because we see it on the next candlestick. We have all the chances to close today with an unbelievable win. If that's not a like for you to this video, if that's not a subscribe for you to this channel, I don't know what I'm supposed to do to like get you hyped. So let's wait and see if I was correct, and you should like and subscribe. I'll have no words, and this deal is obviously going to be closed in green black. 4 seconds left, less than 4 seconds left. Right, so we got the profit goal for today, and I have absolutely no words, just like the stats. 100 out of 100. Like, unbelievable. Days like that happen, not all the time, but makes me happy. Oh, well guys, I'm really afraid that this series may add up to wrong expectations from trading, but what can I do if I'm that good? Here are all today's deals. We have 6 wins and 0 losses, and this is an extraordinary result, but I also want to thank all of you guys for your support in form of likes and comments, and there is still a lot of work ahead, but I believe I can do this. I believe in myself. But this is gonna be it for us for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.